morning, students. Welcome to the computer class of 6th standard. Today, we will continue with the chapter 11, Google Drive. So, open your computer book at page number 134. In our previous session, we have learnt about organizing different files and folders in Google Drive. And today, we will learn the topics sharing a file or folder, sharing with a link, and signing out from Google Drive. So the main objectives of the day are how to view, duplicate, rename, and sharing a file or folder, and how to do sharing with a link and signing out from Google Drive. Now our first topic on page number 138 is viewing the files. Viewing means to see the appearance of your files and folders in Google Drive. And Google Drive displays our files and folders in two different ways. First one is list view. This view displays a list of files and folders along with their application icons and other details such as owner of the file, date, when it was last modified, file size, etc. And this is the by default view of the Google Drive. Second one is grid view. This view displays the files and folders in the form of thumbnails. Thumbnail means small image view of the files and folders. Now let's see it practically. Students, this is the by default view of your files and folders in Google Drive, that is list view, which is displaying application icons on the left side and other details such as owner of the file on the right side. And this is the grid view icon. When you will click on this icon, it will display you the small image view of your files and folders. So by using two views, that is list view and grid view, you can see the appearance of your files and folders in Google Drive. Next is duplicating a file. Duplicating means to create a same copy of the selected file or folder. Now the steps to create a duplicate copy of a file are: first is open your Gmail account. Second is select the desired file. Third is click on More Actions button or right click on the selected file. And fourth is select the Make a Copy option. Now let's do its practical. Students, suppose I want to make a duplicate copy of this class 4th file. Then firstly, we have to select it by clicking on it. Then we will click on this More Actions button. And from here, we will click on this Make a Copy option. After clicking on Make a Copy option, you will see that within few seconds, you will get the same copy of the original file. And the second way to create a duplicate of any file or folder is by right-clicking on the selected file or folder. Now suppose I want to make a duplicate copy of this whole ticket. Then firstly, we have to right-click on it. Then second step is click on Make a Copy option. and after clicking on Make a Copy option, you will see the same copy of the selected file or folder. Our next topic on page number 138 is renaming a file or folder. Renaming means to change the name of the selected file or folder in Google Drive. It means to give a new name to your selected file or folder. Now the steps to rename a file are: first is open your Gmail account. Second is select the desired file. Third is click on More Actions button or right click on the selected file. Select the rename option. Type the new file name and click on OK button. Now let's do its practical. Students, suppose I want to change the name of this 6th computer folder. Then firstly, we have to select it. Second step is click on this More Actions button. And third step is click on Rename option. Now type the new name, for example 6.1 and click on OK button. And you will see that the 6th computer name has been replaced by 6th.1 name. Now the second way to rename any file or folder is by right clicking. Now suppose I want to give a new name to my this class 4th file. Then firstly we have to right click on it. Second is click on Rename option. Now third is type the new name. For example, I want to type here class 4th chapter 4 only. And then click on OK button. After clicking on OK button, you will see that the name of the file has been changed. Next is sharing a file or folder. It means enabling multiple people to work together on a file. While sharing, you can decide whether people can edit, comment on, or simply view the file. So these are the 3 authorization options. First one is can edit. It means multiple people can do any type of changes in your file or folder. Second is can comment. It means you can restrict people to only comment on or view the file. And third is can view. This option allows others only to view a file. People will not be able to make any type of changes or give any type of comment to your file or folder. Now the steps to share a file or folder are: first is open your Gmail account. Second is select the file. Third is click on Share button or right click on the selected file. Select the Share option. Enter the email addresses of the people. And last is click on the Send button. Now let's do its practical. Suppose I want to share this class 4th file with others. Then firstly, we have to select it by clicking on it. Second step is click on this share icon. After clicking on share icon, we will click here and select the email addresses with whom we want to share our file. For example, first one. Then again you will click over here and select any other email address with whom you want to share your file. So in this way you can select multiple people with whom you want to share your file. After entering the email addresses of the people, you can select any authorization option according to your choice. And last step is click on send button. So it will share your file with the selected email addresses of the people. And the second way to share any file or folder is by using right-clicking. Suppose I want to share this poster file. Then our first step is right-click on the selected file. Second is click on share option. Here we will type the email addresses of the people with whom we want to share our file and click on send button. Our next topic is sharing with a link. It means you can share your file with multiple people by providing a link to any file in Google Drive. Now the steps to share a file with a link are: first is open your Gmail account. Second is select the file. Third is click on the share button. Fourth is click on the get shareable link option. Fifth is paste the link in an email message. And sixth is click on done button. Let's do its practical. Suppose I want to share this computer folder with multiple people by providing a link. Then our first step is select the folder by clicking on it. Second is click on this get link icon. Here you will see the link of your folder. Then we will click on this copy link option. After clicking on it, we will click in share with people and groups. Here we will select the people with whom we want to share our folder. For example, I want to share this folder with Gurmeet. So I will click on it. After clicking, in the message box, we will press Ctrl V shortcut key to paste our link. After pasting link, we will click on send button. So in this way, you can share your file or folder with multiple people by providing a link. Now our last topic on page number 139 is signing out from Google Drive. Means to exit from Google Drive. And the steps to sign out from Google Drive are: first is click on the Google account icon. Second is click on the sign out button. Let's do its practical. Students, to exit from Google Drive, we will click on this Google account icon displaying at the top right corner. After clicking on this icon, we will click on Sign Out button. And you will see that your account has been signed out from Google Drive. And now we will identify some icons. First one is List View. Second is Grid View. Third is Make a Copy. Fourth is Rename. Fifth is Share button. And sixth is Get Shareable link. So students, today we have discussed about viewing the files, duplicating and renaming a file, sharing a file or folder, sharing with a link, and signing out from Google Drive. So do reading and practical revision of the pages 138 and 139. Thank you and have a nice day.